Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that I received just recently. Now, a lot of you who are following me already know that I do a lot of dry firing. It's one of the ways that I supplement my training when I can't get over to the range. So this new targeting system was sent out to me to take a look at. This has a basic features I think might be very beneficial to my everyday, dry fire training. So what we're going to do in this video, guys, we're going to take this back here to the desk as we do with most products that are sent out to me. And we're going to test this out, see what the feature set is with this, and decide for me personally if this is going to be a great item for me to use going forward as a part of my dry fire. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So we're going to take a closer look at this device. As you guys can see, the stature of it here, just looking at it here on my desk, we have a display indicator right here for a timer. We have a reset button. We have a display button, and then we have the surface target right here. On the back, you guys will find the little panel where you install the three AA batteries. The batteries were included with this model. There is a little hook here at the top that if you wanted to hang this on the wall, you'd be able to. This is all plastic. I think when I saw the illustrations of this and some other videos that people had done on this product, I thought it was metal for some reason. On the side here, we have a switch. This is going to turn it on and off. So we're just going to switch this to the on position, as you guys can see here. All right, so what I'm going to use this for, I'm going to move this much further back here. And we're going to do some dry fire training with this. So I will be using one of my Mantis devices. For the sake of the video and a number of different platforms the video will be posted on, I can't show any weapons during the demonstration, but you guys can just imagine, I'm using one of my EDC weapons. This is a G48. And I'll be using it during this this demonstration. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and connect here to the Mantis app, and I'm going to set this up ready to go. All right, as you guys can see, now you can see the display from my phone, and that's what I normally use for controlling, doing the different drills. So we're just going to do a very simple drill here, guys. We're just going to go to our, let's go to the Mantis benchmark and click on OK. And we're just going to take the 10 shots, focusing on precision for every shot, and we'll be able to see how this system works, okay? You have the two buttons at the bottom. You have a display button right here. You have a reset button right here. So starting off, we're going to just go ahead and start the Mantis. And I'm going to start off by taking the first 10 shots. All right, so we are done on that. And now I can click on display here. All right, so I just reset it. For some reason, it's not responding. So we're going to try this one more time. I'm going to reset the Mantis as well. We're going to take 10 shots. And I'm going to start off with those first 10 shots. I'm about 10 feet away from the target. All right, so there's our 10 shots. Now we should be able to shoot the display button, and what it should show us is where each one of the shots fell. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Now I can tell you right now from where I'm seeing these shots displayed, this is not where the shots fell. All right, so we're going to try this one more time. I'm going to get even further away from the target. We're going to reset the Mantis app as well. And I'm going to shoot the reset. And I'm seeing the same buttons, the same shot still showing up, so it's not resetting, as you guys can see here. So if I click on display, reset, okay, we just reset it one more time. I'm going to go ahead and restart the Mantis app. Mantis is working perfectly. So now we're going to try our shots again. All right, there's our 10 shots. Score was 91. And now we're going to click on display here on the LaserLyte. Yeah, we're not getting anything. So I'm going to try and experiment. I have a light that's on behind me, and I think possibly this light might be interfering with the laser. So let me try turning off some of these additional lights. I have a light above it here, so I'm going to switch this light off. And I'm also going to turn off the light that's behind me. All right, so I've turned off the rear light and the forward light. I'm showing you guys this in real time, so I just want to make sure you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing. So I'm going to go ahead and reset Mantis as well. I'm going to try to reset this. I'm going to shoot on the reset. I'm going to start the Mantis app again. We're going to take our shots. All right, score is 92.5, and we're going to click on the reset right here. Yeah, this is not even close to where you guys probably saw the light. Okay, so I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to turn off the display laser. Maybe that's what's causing the problem. So we're going to try this one more time. I'm going to hit the reset. All right, I've hit the reset again. I'm going to reset on Mantis. And now there's no targeting laser on. So we're going to take our 10 shots. All right, the score is 90. And we're going to click done. Then we're going to hit on shoot display. And now we're waiting for our shots to start showing up. All right, so the shots are showing up, as you guys can see here. So I think perhaps the lighting was the issue. So we're going to go ahead and test it one more time. I'm going to shoot the reset. And I'm going to reset Mantis as well. We have 10 shots we're going to take here. Again, my distance is still the same. So I'm going to take all 10 shots now. Score is 90.6. And we're going to shoot the display button here as well. And it's going to start to display those shots. Now, because the majority of the shots were in the center, the bullseye, you're probably not going to see a lot of variation. So what I will do here is I'm not going to use the Mantis app. I'm going to go ahead and just hit reset. And I'm just going to shoot randomly around the target just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. How it's supposed to show where the shots are falling, and that should be good. Let's go ahead and hit the display button, and now you should see the shots starting to show up. All right, so this also has a par timer. There's no way to set the time or the speed or anything like that, but what you do here is you shoot the reset button twice, and it's going to go to the par timer. And then you shoot the display button one time, and it's going to count down. Take a shot, and it's going to give you your score. Okay, so that's a 0.9. Let's go ahead and reset that again. Let's hit display one more time, and it's going to count down. And then you take your shot. 0.4. One more time, just so we have a good source. Reset. Display 0.5. Okay, so with what I'm seeing here, this could be an excellent practice device for someone who's just getting started. Maybe if you're teaching a class or whatever the case it may be. Unfortunately, in my workflow and my dry firing style, I thought this was going to be something that I would really enjoy using, that would be a practical application for me, and I'm just not seeing it because Mantis already offers something similar to accuracy verification using a smartphone, and you could use the Mantis Academy app, and you would be able to take actual targets, and you could shoot those targets, and it will show you where your rounds or where your laser is hitting those targets. So that's another option. Now, if you don't have the Mantis system and you just have the laser bullet in your firearm and you just want some kind of target around the house that you can just take a shot, you know, whenever you want to, and, you know, just practice your shots. This might be, you know, something really nice for a lot of people. Just for my specific style, this is not something that I personally would use on a regular basis. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this device and giving you my insight on it. And yeah, there we are. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.